Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Today, we're going to start with morning work 82. So make sure you have that out for me. So the first part says, sound out the words and circle the sets of letters that make syllables. So we can use our hand under our chin for this. Computer. So come, C-O-M, pew, P-U, ter, T-E-R. Those are the 3 syllables, so that's what you should have circled. And we're going to keep doing that for the rest of these. Butterfly. So but, ter, fly. And then carpet. So car, and then pet. So this is how yours should look. Okay, let's do some math. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 20 minus 3 equals 17. And 20 minus 5 equals 15. Subtract the numbers. 37 minus 3 equals 34. 22 minus 1 equals 21. Unscramble the words. So the first one is a bathtub. B-A-T-H-T-U-B. The second one is a baseball. B-A-S-E-B-A-L-L. Match the contraction to the 2 words that make up the contraction. So the first one is an example for you. You'll is the same as you will. I'll is the same thing as I will. She'll is the same thing as she will. And it'll is the same thing as it will. Write the numbers that come one before and one after. So our first one is 84. So before 84 is 83, and after 84 is 85. Same thing with 67. Before 67 is 66, and after 67 is 68. Okay. Let's go ahead and do our phonics work. So please say the letters and their sounds when I hold up the card. Ready? Begin. A long A says A. A long E says E. A long I says I. A long O says O. A long U says U. A short A says A. A short E says Eh. A short I says I. A short O says ah. And a short U says Okay. We are going to do some phonics, so listen closely. Thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Best, west. Risk, desk. Vest, bent. Wisp, wasp. Pest, rest. Last, lost. Fast, cast. Dust, must. Pest, post. Cost, lost. Now we're going to listen for the same beginning blend. So if they start with the same two letters, thumbs up. If they don't start with the same two letters, thumbs down. Scar, scarf. Sleep, sleeve. Small, start. Snail, snake. Space, twist. Storm, story. Sweet, swish. Sleet, speak. Sneak, spoke. Stick, star. Okay, I'm going to break a word apart. You guys put it back together. Sk-e. Slide. Oak. Snake. Spin. Stamp. Swish. Skater. Slope. Sleep. Good job, guys. Okay, I am going to say a word, and you say the last two letters that you hear. So the final blend. Wrist. St, st. Wasp. Sp, sp. Dusk. Sk, sk. Test. St, st. Tusk. Sk, sk. Grasp. Sp, sp. Task. Sk, sk. Lisp. Sp, sp. Toast. St, st. Wisp. Sp, sp. All right, I'm going to say a word. You break it apart and show me how many sounds it has. The first word is skate. 4. Sled. 4. Smash. 4. Snip. 4. Spider. 5. Stream. 5. Sweater. 5. Slippers. 6. Spin. 4. Slides. 5. Okay, now I'm going to change the beginning sound. So hands out. Say grin. Take away the gur, add a sk. Say still. Take away the st, add a sp. Say gruff. Take away the gur, add a sn. Say frog. Take away the fur, add a sm. Say strap. Take away the stir, add a skr. Say clamp. Take away the coal, add a st. Say trim. Take away the tur, add a sw. Say trash. Take away the tur, add a sm. Say small. Take away the sm, add a st. Say plant. Take away the pole, add a soul. Good job. Now, I'm going to add a sound to the beginning, and you need to blend it together. So say cab, put a s in front of it, scab. Say lap, put a s in front of it. Say mile, put a s in front of it. Say peak, put a s in front of it. Say one, put a s in front of it. Say tates, put a s in front of it. Say table, put a s in front of it. Say peller, put a s in front of it. Say no, put a s in front of it. Say wimmer, put a s in front of it. Okay, now I'm going to take away the first sound, which is tricky because it's a blend. So say ski, take away the s you have, key. Say slip, take away the s you have, lip. Say sponge, take away the s you have. Say stapler, take away the s you have. Say spell, take away the s you have. Say stickers, take away the s you have. Say sweepers, take away the s you have. Say smoke, take away the s you have. Say snail, take away the s you have. Say smack, take away the s you have. Mac. Okay, now we're going to do our HD Word workbook. So go ahead and get that out, please. And we are on page 104. 104. Looks like this. And we are looking for the sound ow. So the first one says account. O-U says ow. Number 2 says frowning. O-W says ow. Number 3 says proudest. O-U says ow. Number 4 says sprouted. O-U says ow. Number 5 says discount. O-U says ow. Number 6 says coward. O-W says ow. Number 7 says flowerless. O-U says ow. Number 8 says around. O-U says ow. Number 9 says growling. O-W says ow. Number 10 says however. O-W says ow. Number 11 says flower. O-W says ow. And number 12 says cloudy. O-U says ow. You can pause me to check your work if you want. Okay, down below, read these with me. Number 1, frowning, account, around. Number 2, cloudy, sprouted, coward. Number 3, proudest, growling, however. Number 4, flowerless, discount, flower. Number 5, account, however, cloudy. Number 6, sprouted, coward, proudest. Number 7, growling, around, flowerless. Number 8, flower, frowning, discount. All right, now we're on page 105. Write all vowel spellings in the correct columns. The schwa spellings are circled and filled in. So the first one, 1,000, is done for you. So OU is other because it says ow. And the A, they already put in schwa. Okay. Fool-ish-ly. So let's look at the first one. The OO in fool says ooh. That's not short, that's not long, that's not R controlled, it's other. So OO goes in other. The I in ish is short, so we'll put I under short. And then lee, the Y in lee is long, so the Y goes under long. Number 3, without. The I in with is short, so put I under short. Out, OU says ow, which is other. Number 4, carpool. The AR says R, so that's R controlled. And then pool, OO says ooh, which is not short, it's not long, it's other. So your first section should look like this. You can pause me if you want to check your work. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of them. I want you to pause me right now and try and do these on your own, and then we'll check our work together, okay? All right, let's go over our work. Number 5, around. The A is done for you because it's schwa. The OU says ow, which is other. Background, the A in back is short. Ground has OU for ow, which is other. Powder, the OW says ow, which is other. And the ER says which is R controlled. Checkpoint, the E in check is short, and the OY says oi, which is other. All right, down below, number 9, encounter. So in is done for you because of the schwa. Cown, OU says ow, which is other, and then the ER says which is R controlled. Number 10, loyalties. The middle one is done for you because of schwa. Loy says oi, which is other. So OY goes under other. And then T's, IE says E, which is long. E, so IE goes under long. Sunflower, the U in sun is short. Flow says ow, so OW is other. And then is R controlled, so ER goes under R controlled. And then alligator, the second one is done for you because of schwa. So al says which is short. Li is done. Gay says A, right? A, so that goes under long. And then tor is R controlled. So I'm going to show you mine, and you can pause me to check your work. All right, next page, phrases. So I want you to read these with me. Number 1. Has to learn to ask without pouting. Number 2. Wore a crown made out of bath towels. Number 3. Wants to catch a big mouth bass or a trout. Number 4. Look for stars in the south on a cloudless night. Number 5. Is afraid to encounter a slimy, round earthworm. Number 6. Flew to the ground in search of the nut brown owl. Number 7. Thousands of yellow sunflowers sprouted in the field. Number 8. Vows to bake a flourless chocolate cake for the cowgirl. Down below, number 1. The baby frowns each time the shaggy brown dog growls. Number 2. The rowdy crowd shouted loudly after the thrilling final play. Number 3. The townsmen needed to shut down the South Tower for repairs. Number 4. When trying to read a complicated word, look for the vowels first. Number 5. The cashier will take the discount for that item off at the checkout counter. Number 6. Wow, the star flowers on the carnival fairgrounds are surprisingly impressive. Number 7. During the estate sale, the brownstone was so crowded that I had to wait outside. Number 8. We are relocating to South Carolina this summer, so I have to scout out new housing. Page 107. Number 1, read each sentence. We're going to do that when we do number 2. Number 2, underline the words that have the OU sound spelled with the letters you see in the word ouch. So we're looking for ow with OU. So let's go to number 1. After a thunderstorm, a colorful rainbow can appear in the clouds. So we're going to underline clouds on the horizon. Number 2, Jay's Oyster Bar in Allentown has the absolute best bowl of seafood chowder. So those have some ow sounds, but they're not OU. Beans and Brussels sprouts, there you go, sprouts has ow with OU, are good side dishes to have with cowboy chicken. Cowboy says ow too, but it's OW, not OU. Number 3, circle the words that have the ow sound spelled with the letters you see in the word cow. So now we're looking for ow with OW. After a thunderstorm, a colorful rainbow can appear in the clouds on the horizon. None there. We do see OW in rainbow, but that says O, not ow. Number 2, Jay's Oyster Bar in Allentown, so circle Allentown because OW says ow, has the absolute best bowl of seafood chowder. Chowder says ow with OW. You see OW in bowl, but that says O. Beans and Brussels sprouts are good side dishes to have with cowboy chicken. Cowboy says ow with OW. And number 4, draw a box around words with the ow spelling that does not make the ow sound. Sorry, with the OW spelling that does not make the ow sound. So we're looking for OW, but it doesn't say ow. So let's look. After a thunderstorm, a colorful rainbow, there you go. Rainbow has OW, but it does not say ow, so box it, can appear in the clouds on the horizon. Jay's Oyster Bar in Allentown has the absolute best bowl. Bowl has OW, but does not say ow, so circle it or square it, of seafood chowder. Beans and Brussels sprouts are good side dishes to have with cowboy chicken. So this is what the top of my page looks like. You can pause me and check your work. All right. Challenge yourself. Read each clue and write the answer on the line. Every answer will be only one word, and that word will include one of the spellings of ow. Okay, so I'll do number 1 with you, and then the rest I'm going to read and you answer on your own. I fly at night and can turn my neck all the way around. I think that's an owl. O-W-L. Number 2, I help you to speak and eat. Number 3, I am colorful and bees like me. It might also smell nice. Number 4, I can dry something that is wet. Maybe you have these in the bathroom. Number 5, I am a person or a thing. I'll help you with this one. A person or a thing or a place is a noun. So I have owl and noun, but you guys need to do those last ones on your own. Okay, when you are all done with this, please watch the next video for directions on your next activity.